My son, look! The chicken is in danger!
I see it, Mother. The current is too strong.
We must do something!
I'll get the boat.
Can we do anything to save it?
I'll try. Stay here.
Oh! They scatter the water!
I have to keep going! Almost there, just a bit more! Got it! Hey, are you okay?
Whoa! Help!
Even though we don't have a home, there's always room for friends in our hearts. The river took our old home, but didn't take us away from each other. What is this? Wow, is this really a golden egg?
Mom, now we can build a new home for all of us.
Yes, my dear, a wonderful new home.
I want a big terrace for tea at sunset and a pond with fish.
Okay, Mom, I will build the most beautiful house for you.
I know you will, my dear.
Mom, let's make this perfect for you. Your tea terrace starts here.
My boy, with your strength and my vision, it will be a home full of love.
Hey, little one, those are not seeds.
Thank you, dear friend.
Mom, your steady hand makes it perfect.
Careful, my strong boy. We want it smooth for our tea.
Always for you, Mom.
This one for the terrace. Imagine our sunsets here.
Perfect, Mom. It'll be beautiful.
That's it. Keep them straight.
Got it.
Almost done with this section. Wonderful work.
Okay, let's get this cut right.
Be careful, dear.
I will. Measuring now. Perfect. 2 by 3 meters. Starting the cut.
Great job. All right, son. Let's get this panel up.
Okay, Mom. I've got it. Aligning it now.
Perfect. Secure it tight.
Screws are in.
Looks good. Great job.
Okay, just finishing this cut. All right, lifting it into place now. Aligning with the laser. Perfect. Securing the corners and center. Checking verticality. Tightening. Done. Solid. Panels secure. Now for the sealant. Applying a smooth bead. Looks good. No gaps. Not food, little one.
Cutting the opening now, Mom. Be precise, son. Okay, inserting the frame. It looks straight. Perfect fit, no distortion. Excellent work.
All right, inserting it now. Sealed and clamped. Now for the sealant.
See? Our view of the river. Perfect.
That's it, son. Steady now.
It's expanding fast, Grandma. Good. Now I'll smooth it.
Perfect. It's settling well. Thanks for guiding me, Mom.
Now it's looking like our dream.
Yeah, it really does.
Here for easy access, my son.
Good thinking, Mom.
Now we'll have light even at night.
Perfect, my boy. Careful, feathery electrician.
Fitting, please, Grandma.
Here you are, dear.
Thirsty helper. Your tea spot is ready, Mom.
It's perfect, my son.
Our little oasis is ready, Mom.
Beautiful touch for our home. For our tea evenings, my son.
It will smell wonderful every morning because of you, Mom. It's beautiful because of us, Mom.
Because of your hands and our hearts, my son.
This is coming together nicely.
Yes, it will be our cozy kitchen.
Almost done. Just this last hinge.
It looks wonderful, dear.
All right, the countertop is ready for your herbs, Ma.
Wonderful, my son. These herbs will grow beautifully here.
Whoa, little helper, those are Ma's herbs.
She is just curious. Let her be. Are the cabinets secure, son?
Almost, Grandma. Just securing the sink.
Good. Now let's test the water.
It's flowing perfectly.
Wonderful. Our new home is complete. This will make our home so much cozier.
It will, Grandma. I'll get started.
The shower is secure. Perfect. These towels and plants will add warmth.
It looks great.
It does.
This should be perfect right here, Ma.
Yes, dear. Now for the cushions.
I'll get the low table.
It looks wonderful.
Thanks, Ma. We make a great team.
These mandala patterns symbolize harmony and creativity.
They're beautiful, Mother. Your work is inspiring.
Thank you, my son. Each stroke is filled with hope.
I can see that. It's truly magical. This should power the whole strand, Mom.
Wonderful, dear. I'll secure the line.
Okay, activating the solar panel now.
Look at them glow.
Perfect.
Oh, my son, it's absolutely beautiful.
I'm so glad you like it, Ma. We built it together.
Every detail is perfect. Your creativity shines.
Our home.
Now, my strong boy, now you can marry. You've built a home worthy of love.
Now I will build a new home for my wife. Even bigger, even more beautiful. It's our home now, Mom.
Because we built it together.